mana ko te mohe o ngā tamariki o te kura kaupapa Māori o mā ngā tuna ki te pānui pukapuka. Ki te kōrero he pāna ki ngā kupu me ngā pikitia o ia pukapuka o ia pukapuka. When the program first started, we used to have librarians that used to go and support the peer reading program at Gisborne Boys High School. This was a pānui that I saw in one of their leaflets, and asked our manager if we could support the reading program at Gisborne Boys High, and hence that we have been reciprocated by these students coming back and supporting our kaupapa here in the library. Children first arrived, they weren't familiar with libraries, so we put a system in place where we brought the Gisborne Boys High School students to support reading for these children who were adamant that everything was in Te Reo Māori, anaki. And through their particular learning styles at the kura, the principal was seeing the results from their weekly visits to the library, and us being persistent and consistent in providing that time, totally immersed in Te Reo Māori, but with regards to libraries and books. So therefore they slowly learned how to use the library and to read. Yeah, and question. And since then, their reading levels had escalated, and they still continue to do so. Not only do the seniors attend these sessions, we have them coming from the third form, from Gisborne Boys High. So you know that's got to be a plus, and as you can see, the results are these boys have just grown and developed with the children along the way, and you can see that the parenting skills are kicking in for these older readers too. And I think that's quite, that's amazing to see these boys that have developed these traits, you know, going into parenthood. I know it's, I'm saying it early, but you can see it's reflected in these boys.
And what's your hopes, your continued vision for this type of program?
I just only hope that when I think of looking at retiring, that this kaupapa continues, because you need this kaupapa to continue. Because when the kids get older, they have to go to mainstream, so therefore it's getting them back into the mainstream way of thinking in order for them in the kura to finish school, to get a job, their vocations, whatever it is they want to pursue. But I think if our kids are clever, they will know how to turn it around, and I have actually seen that also with children. Pānui te pukapuka I roti Te Reo Māori I ngā wā katoa, kōrero I ngā wā katoa I te wā ka hara mai ngā tamariki o te kura kaupapa o Māori o mā ngā tuna I te whare pukapuka. Pai tērā kaupapa.